Hi guys, welcome back to Mom in Tech. This channel is all about transforming stay-home moms to tech queen by providing free resource material for you. Alright, today we're talking about becoming a social media manager at the comfort of your home. And as a stay-home mom, of course, we'll be providing you with free resource material. All you need to do is to click on the link in our description box and start off your journey for free. You should learn everything you want to learn for free. Alright, essentially you will learn social media fundamentals in the course, trying to understand the different social media platform, understanding how to engage your audience, and also content strategies and many more. You will uncover so many more as you start off. And of course, content creation is actually one of the most important when you know how to create eye-catchy post on your platform. All those things you would learn, and also how to use graphic designs like Canva and everything to create content, and also managing your community. When you start growing, you have community, how to manage them through your comment section, how to build your community. You learn all these and many more on your journey. And also you will learn social media advertising. Advertising your page is an important thing, and you will learn so many more, so many more. So I'll just give you a rundown of things you will learn, and they are listed here. So all you need to do is just to click on the link in our description. You start off for free. We have digital skills that you can learn, and guess what? You get certifications and so on for free. So this is just to equip you to become a social media manager. And don't forget that it doesn't stop here. Whatever resource we're providing, just for you to kickstart your journey as a social media manager. So you just have to be dedicated, and trust me, to pay off. If you love this content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch out for more. Thank you.